Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ghostbusters on piano. We'll start by getting familiar with the keyboard, specifically finding middle C. The main melody is quite catchy and uses just a few key notes, primarily B, A, G, and E. Focus on the rhythm of the famous who you're gonna call phrase. It's a great starting point for beginners. This will lay a solid foundation for the rest of the song. Now, let's dive into the main melody with your right hand. You'll primarily use the notes B, A, G, and E. Pay close attention to the syncopated rhythm, which gives the song its distinctive feel. Try using your second, third, and fourth fingers to play these notes smoothly and efficiently. Practice slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable with the pattern and timing. For the left hand, we'll establish a simple yet effective bass line that provides the song's foundation. You'll primarily use the notes B, A, G sharp, and E. Play these notes as half notes, holding each for 2 counts to create a steady, driving rhythm. This bass line is crucial for capturing the spooky and energetic feel of the Ghostbusters theme. Practice it slowly to ensure accuracy and a consistent tempo. Finally, let's bring both hands together. Start by playing very slowly, focusing on the coordination between your right-hand melody and your left-hand bass line. Break the song into small, manageable sections, mastering each one before moving on. A metronome is your best friend here. It will help you maintain a steady tempo and improve your rhythmic accuracy. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes a day, will lead to great progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.